Bones. The same way the bone structure of human can determine the finesse and the fitness of human being. It's the same way the bone structure of a building can determine the longevity, the lifespan, and even the aesthetics of building. But note, this has nothing to do with Egungun of Lagos. You are wondering, what is the bone of a building? The bone of a building is basically the compositions of the structural elements such as the columns, the beams, the slab, the walls that transfer loads from the roof down to every part of the building down into the foundation. We also call it the frame structure, whereby you can also call it the skeleton. The frame structure method of building is what the engineers really values a lot. And what do we mean by the frame structure method of building? This is the process whereby the concrete elements are done first before any other part of the buildings is done, including the concrete columns, the concrete beam, the concrete slab, concrete walls, concrete foundations. This is basically like you arranging the bones of the building together to stand up first before any other partition comes in. How is the frame structure method of building better than the conventional method of building? It is better because it increases the strength of the building. How? In the frame structure, if according to the design, the width of the column ought to be 230 millimeters and the side has to be 230 millimeters as well, it remains 230 by 230 on ground. If the depth of the beam ought to be 600 millimeters, on site it remains 600 millimeters. It will not have been stringed together by maybe the partition walls or one other thing that has been included in the walls. So this increases the strength of the concrete members, and this also increases the longevity and the lifespan of the structure. So if you are considering building, the frame structure method of building is the better option for you. After all, it's your building. Whatever is worth doing is worth doing well. But make sure to consult the construction professionals. You get why.